Okay, good morning here from the garden. Some tough decisions have to be made today. There's a big storm coming in, I guess associated with the Hurricane Debbie it's called, that was down in Florida or whatever it was. I don't know. I live in Pennsylvania. But either way, it's coming this way. And we're expecting potentially, 5 inches plus of rain in a very short amount of time tonight. So we're going to have to obviously take any tomato that's kind of close is going to come in. All those red ones definitely coming in. Ones that are a little bit, like that lighter, we'll leave that one there. Same thing with the yellow tomatoes, the little Camparis. There are a ton of them ready to go anyway, but anything that I might have left for another day or so, we'll see. But pretty much going to pick them. Anything yellow, clean is going to come off. The other big decision sort of is these cantaloupes that are close but not quite. Anything I might have wanted to give like another day or so, 2-3 days, like that one maybe. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. And then there's others. I said these are no-brainers. They're probably ready to go today. Those two over there, I can smell them from here. Cantaloupe, as as they get ready, they just put off a really, for lack of a better word, strong cantaloupe flavor or flavor aroma. And I guess that's in a way how the plant would let creatures, I guess I'm one of those, know, hey, this is ready to eat, and we come and that again. And after we eat them, the seeds get dispersed, and then this all happens over again. That's the plan. But that's how we know when they're ready. These smaller melons, they're not ready yet, but they're going to take out a lot of rain, but fortunately they're in the raised bed. That drains really well, so I'm not terribly concerned about these. This one is probably ready anyway. I had one next to it about 10 days ago, and it looked like it needed about 7 to 10 days, so I'm going to pull this melon today. This one came in about 10 days or so after that. I don't know what that does. I don't have the ear for it. But it's not quite ready. I'd like to leave it out. I don't want it to explode, so we'll check it tomorrow. It's not like it's all going to happen in one day. Like we get a lot of rain, everything explodes. Small tomatoes, yeah, they'll probably, there's less material of them in the wire, so they'll explode obviously a little faster. And then tomatillos, harvested a lot off this plant. Slightly different variety they appear when they're finished. And this one, I think we'll see what happens. If the rain knocks them down, then I'll come out here and pick them up and clean them off tomorrow. But we are on a bit of slope here. Kind of hard to see in the video, but the water, I'll hook up an additional downspout to that, which I originally had, but that'll run down this way, then off into the little alleyway, down the little slope that way, and then disappear. Same thing with the whole rest of the yard, like potatoes and stuff. So, the water is going to kind of flow from this way to that way if we do get that much. So I'm not terribly concerned about immediate flooding of anything, but it's just the quality of what's on there still. When you get too much rain or water in a short amount of time, things don't go very well. That squash, that'll probably, not really that big, but we'll see what happens. So that's it. That's really concerns of the garden this morning. And we'll get out here tomorrow and we'll see what happened. Thanks for watching.